Great job. Now that you've got your customer data into Totango, you're able to start managing those customers quickly and effectively. Let's return to the All Customers segment we've been using today. You'll see that all of the accounts you loaded into Totango are now displayed. But remember that a segment is a really powerful way for you to slice and dice your customer data in any way you choose, and you can do that by applying filters. You can filter by attributes and metrics in Totango. Those attributes and metrics are organized for you into dimensions so that you can easily find what you need. Since we're going to focus on managing our at-risk customers, I'd like to apply a filter for customers with a high number of open support tickets. Let's say I'd like to see the customers with more than 5. I'd like to focus my team's attention even more. I'll do that by saying that we want to filter on contract value. I'm not sure what I'd like the threshold to be, so I'm going to use the data to guide me. You can see now that I'll be able to focus my team on 30 accounts, not 200, that may need our immediate attention. Keep in mind that our knowledge base has extensive materials on how to use segments, including instruction on how to use the progress, timeline, and work views. I encourage you to check it out. Now that I've changed my segment, I can either save it or save as a new one. When I do, I'm going to still save it in that Risk Tutorial Success block, or I could save it in my personal private folder. Now that we've sliced and diced your data using segments, in the next video we'll talk about using success plays to automatically and manually create tasks or the work to be done so that your team can act on what you see.